We reacting to the Sterniolo triplets, but I was told that I should do this with no headphones. No headphones.
Alright, I can't hear a thing and it's about to get scary. Hey guys, welcome back to this week's Friday YouTube video. Today, it's been about a year since the last time we've done this, but we are going to film a blind deaf mute baking video. I am going to clearly be deaf, Chris cannot see a thing right now, and Matt is not going to say a word. Jazz hands, party! We have a table full of fun decorative options for when we're decorating the cupcakes at the end, but we also have some cakes and we're gonna make some cupcakes and decorate them, and it's gonna be so fun. Happy Halloween. Chris, your drink is right there. Echolocation, let's go. Matt wants to do the white one. The funfetti. What do you want?
I want to do the funfetti one. Because it's fun. What color is funfetti?
What do you guys want to do? It's literally up to you.
Matt, relay my message. What color is the funfetti?
What? What did you say, Chris?
What color is the funfetti?
Matt, we're not making a cake. We're making cupcakes. So I don't know why that fucking tray is out. Chris, get the mixing bowl. It's at the oven. Let me get this out of the way.
There it is.
Amazing. You 30 pounds, yeah, you got me. Put my hands up with your hand. I almost just dead ass slipped on the banana in the middle of the room. What is this? This is the instructions. What is wrong with you? Get up. What is happening?
I knocked the
Move that way. Move that way.
Alright.
With your hands.
No, it's not.
Alright.
Here we go.
Let's get fun! Good job, good job, good job! Nice! Keep it chill. Incredible! Great job. Okay. Nice! Oh, we have a tablecloth, which is great. Usually we make a mess. Yes. Alright, Chris, listen up! First step, 1 cup of water! 1 cup of water, and then we're gonna get some eggs! Those are the options here. Let's find a cup. Incredible. Bounce them around, bounce them around. Okay, get water.
I feel Matt trying to wedge the...
Get some water. That's not the fridge.
Yeah, it is.
Matt, can you help him? Bounce them around, bounce them around, bounce them around, bounce them, bounce.
Tell me when.
Nice! Nice! Go, go, go! Incredible! Keep going! Keep going, keep going! Faster! Nice, stop! Great work! Dump it, Matt.
Is it in there?
You spilled the water, okay.
What are we...
Half cup oil! Let's do it!
Who has
Find-
the cup?
You put them under the fucking table!
On the table? No, I didn't. You're the best. Give me the oil. Oil.
Why are you pushing me?
Oil.
Why are you pushing me?
There's no oil.
Why are you pushing me?
Alright, dude.
When you can't see, you can't do shit like that. Stop!
Get the oil, you stupid.
Right, it's like, of course, you're hitting me in the head!
Get the thing and shut
Like,
your mouth.
oh my fucking god! Oil, yes! I agree! Get it! This is your house!
Is it away? Oh, you already got it. Great work. Nice job, Matt.
Chris, so you need to pay
He
attention!
pushed you, stupid bitch. Fucking hell.
You need to stop!
Go get the cup.
What?! Listen to me, listen to me. You are too cute to be pinching me and throwing shit around, okay? So don't fucking let it happen again.
Go. Matt, watch out. Don't go in front of me, because I'm swinging the next time he's nearby.
You're wearing a print-on sticker. Shut, yo, you need to stop. Ow, ow, stop. Stop! Is there something wrong with you?
Something wrong with you, clearly.
Up, Matt. Chris, I'm gonna fucking I'm gonna split your ass.
Dude, what's going on?
Right, of course. Off the ground.
Why was there
Get
something
up.
beneath me?
What the hell?
I just sat on something.
Get up.
Ow! The fuck? Ow, man! Ow! Are you kidding me?
Chris, you gotta get
You
up.
just took my hat off.
Help him. Come on. Look. Come on, get up, Chris. Ah!
Help me up.
Ah! Right, get up.
I can't
Use your
see.
limbs.
Oh my god, I got it! Stop touching on my banana.
Grab my axe.
Ow!
Grab my axe.
Ow!
Grab the axe.
Oh my god, you guys are pointing.
Chris, get up.
Oh, you back up.
What's wrong with you?
Back away! Now, before I fucking kill you.
Come on, you
back
have to
up!
hurry up and
Back
run
up!
there.
Back up! Back up!
Does he not want to get up?
Get away!
Okay, let him breathe.
Stand back. I can get up on my own. I'm a full-grown banana. Jesus.
Great.
Oh.
Half cup of oil. We're at the same step we were at an hour ago. Hot!
Go in. Got it. We're rocking? Good? Good? Nick, pay attention. Tell him to lock in. Am I pouring? No more. Got it. Matt, fabulous work. Fabulous.
Y'all ate that.
Eggs? Is it egg time, Matt? Double tap me if it is. Double tap. Double tap like me. The eggs.
What the fuck? He's still connected.
What happened?
Matt, usually your people are better at like visual types of instructions. What's next? Right. And now, Chris, put the egg in the bowl.
Where's the fucking bowl? Thank you, Matt. I appreciate it.
3 of them, all of it. Whole
Why
eggs,
is this
3
such
whole
a
eggs.
small mixing bowl? Why is it like really miniature?
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Nick, get a paper towel so I can put the yolk.
Go. Let it fly. Let it fly. Boom. The eagle has landed. Put it down. Ooh, put it down.
Take it.
Do you want the house tour? I can take you to the first second. Let's go! Bang! Fuck! Fuck! We lost some white there, but that's alright.
Fully got.
Ah! Why did I touch that?
Matt, you are the best ever. Oh, I thought you were gonna wash my hand.
Alright, bitches, let's get mixy!
Wash my hands.
Oh my god!
Clean it
Get
off.
the fuck away from me!
Matt, thank you.
Alright, alright, alright! Matt, let him do some mixing. He hasn't done shit. What? Mix!
Are you talking to me like that, Nick? The fuck why my shoe squeak like I'm like
I feel like I'm not really giving super explicit instructions today.
here we go. Mixing to your masterful desire, Nick. Here you go.
You're killing it. You're killing it. Matt, do you want to add anything to the funfetti? We got like food coloring, more sprinkles, anything. We got like whatever you can think of. Does you want to add anything? What? What is he saying, Matt? Remind it to me. What does he want?
Nothing. I want it. Matt, tell him I want him to Matt,
What?
tell him I want him to shut his bitch ass up.
Flavor, food flavor, dye. The dye?
Matt, tell him to shut his bitch ass up. I want him to
Right, of course.
I wanna hear him
There's no
say it.
zippers. What
I
do you
wanna hear him
want?
say it.
The green. We
Matt.
can add some fun color.
Matt, make him say, okay, I'll shut my bitch ass up. Try your hardest.
What's on me?
Is he doing it, Matt?
Red isn't super Halloween. I think like maybe green.
Matt, $100 if you get Nick to say pumpkin spice.
What is this?
Act it out to him, Matt.
Right. 1 second. A pumpkin!
Yes, Matt, one more word.
2 pumpkins.
One more word.
To eat. Hot pumpkins. Right. Spicy pumpkins.
Oh,
Pumpkin seeds.
Matt.
Pumpkin drink. Pumpkin drink. Pumpkin puree. No, Matt. We're not doing that.
Do it, Matt.
Pumpkin. Fucking freaky pumpkin. Hot pumpkin. Hot pumpkin what?
Matt, come on, you got
Pumpkin
this.
spice. That was fine.
Another-
Ow, I hit myself.
Another one, Matt. Get him to say Dracula.
Fuck, I just
Get
actually
him
hurt
to say
myself.
Dracula and like blood sucking, something along
I
those
love my boots.
lines. Okay, go.
So what do you want to do? Teeth. Vampire. Ah! Vampire, a top tier vampire. Dracula. Let's go.
Yes. Wow. Okay.
That's the.
Do we want to go?
Should we make it fun color or no?
Nick,
Yes.
what do you mean by fun color? Matt, what does he mean by that? Is there food coloring?
Chris, stop. You're pissing Matt off.
Okay.
Seriously, back up. Chris, stop! What?
No?
Red and green makes purple.
Let's do
Red
it.
and no, blue and green. Red and blue. Red and blue makes purple. Is that my test? Do you want to do red and blue?
Don't kick my knee out.
Chris, what are you hitting me for?
Kick my knee out.
No, I didn't. It was the fucking freaky mind.
Oh, what's up, Matt? What is this? Food coloring? Yes? Okay, do we add how much? Shouldn't there be like a tip to it that like squirts it out? Nick! He's gonna
Blue and red. Let's go.
Add it in, Matt. Do a little drop. Don't do too much because I don't want to die. Is that how it works? Can you die because of food poisoning? Don't add too much of it.
Whoa, that's a lot.
Unbelievable, Matt.
5 drops?
What?
Chris,
What?
I
I told him to do a little bit.
what do you want?
I told him to add a little
Matt,
bit.
enough from you. Oh!
How much, Nick? How much did he add? Who is this? Nope, I feel a suspender. How much did he just add?
Chris, Matt, sorry.
What?
Matt, Chris wants you to stop.
Nick, he
But
can
I
hear
don't
me.
wanna.
He can hear me. You don't have to relay my messages.
Wanna.
You fucking nasty freak.
Chris, come here.
He doesn't. You don't have.
Start, keep mixing. Mix. Like I'm sorry you're in the position to listen to instructions. Keep going. Matt's gonna add coloring while
Matt, what color is it? Have him tell
you
me.
gotta put the work in. Oh! No, we can't add that. Purple.
It's purple.
That's our gold
Is that
color.
right, Matt?
It's purple! We're getting there! We're not there yet, though. Woo!
Nick.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going!
My fucking.
Matt, some more red. Sorry. Some more red. You're doing alright. I wouldn't say good. Say good again, say good. Bye. Ooh, she's so cute.
It's hot in this banana suit. Oh, I can't see the thing.
Stop. No.
The fuck was that?
What the fuck?
Who the hell?
Who the fuck's breathing? Swing to your right,
What?
Stop, Matt, stop. That thing hurts, for real. Ow! Stop! Freaky banana. Ow! Yo, you know you can't see? You're chopping me up?
The more you scream, the more I pound your face in. Tell him.
Here we go! Come with me! There's a world out there that we should be. Take my hand. Come with me.
Listen.
So what? I can't. Matt gets to say whatever he wants, and I don't get to say
That's how it
anything.
fucking works. You
Doesn't
dumbass.
seem fair. Ah! Back to reality. Zoom. Let's get this bitch in a tray. Pre-dumping. Oh my fucking god. Oh, I can't hear anything.
Nick, can you stop laughing, please?
Oh my god,
Dude, it sounds like Dax. Holy shit. Nick, shut your bitch ass up.
Woo!
Matt, where's the cup? Ew!
Ceilings.
Where's the cupcake trays, Matt?
Woo! Oh my fucking god!
What happened? Get ready, Nick. Get ready.
You're an idiot. 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 You're an idiot.
Say it again. Say it again. Say
Huh?
it again.
These are not.
Say it again. Say it again.
The banana is interraving with me, freaking me out.
Inter-raving is not.
What do we do here?
You dumbass. Who is this?
Get your goddamn hands off me.
What?
You do it. It's on you. Thank you. For fuck's sake, lock the door. Thank you.
The fuck just happened?
Oh, but you got a sports car. We can in it. Yes. Oh, you got a text. Oh, I got a text. Never mind. No. My headphones are trying to text people. No, don't say that.
Text, I need help.
No. All right, where's our bitch Pam? Let's see her. Ow! The banana of lacking spatial awareness.
The blind banana, you stupid fucking idiot! How am I supposed to know where to be?
Oh, put it down!
Where'd you go? How the fuck did you get over there? Where's my phone? I just got robbed by like.
I'm
a
doing
fucking
this.
mob.
I'm doing this. I can't handle incompetent bananas for another fucking
Give me
second.
it.
What is it? No one gave me a task.
What
Get
is it?
off
What am I
me!
supposed to do? Oh my god, I just got robbed and left in broad daylight. 'Cause I'm-
Banana, spoon. That's a fork, fucking idiot. I literally just got a text on my headphones that said Uber Eats sent a long notification. I don't need to hear from y'all.
What are you doing, Matt?
You're tangled up in spiderweb. Oh my god. Ow. Balls.
The fuck was that?
Boom.
Oh my god, the combination between that and whoever just opened the front door just scared the fucking balls off of me.
Where am I? Matt, no! Crystal, watch out!
The fuck do you mean?
Enough!
What the fuck just happened?
Stay behind me.
Oh my god. What the hell just...
Be careful. He's killing you. What?
What does that even mean? What happened?
Alright guys, the oven is preheated to 350 degrees. We're gonna put the cupcakes in there and decorate them after.
You guys already poured out the cupcakes?
You're okay, I saved you.
What happened? Why does it smell like a banana? Is it recording? Yes. Me and Nick spent 20 minutes kind of just on our phone and chilling out, and Chris decided to spend the 20 minutes
Fully blindfolded.
blindfolded and on the floor.
Mildly concerned.
I know we've done these before, these baking blindfolded where I've been blind, but I've never seen darkness like this.
Okay.
Maybe it's because this is the Halloween edition.
No, like with the black bandana and the eye patch, it's fully pitch
You have an eye
black.
patch on? Oh.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm about to unveil do you know those darkness retreats? Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
When people go in darkness hideaways for a weekend, that's
I
how
don't know
feel.
much about it, but
Hold on, my eye patch. Did you get it off?
yeah. I got both.
Oh my god.
Welcome
Aren't
to
the colors
Earth.
beautiful?
Yeah, what did I want to cry?
Right.
Alright, so we have a bunch of decorating stuff. We have eyeballs, we have little sprinkles, we have much more little sprinkles, marshmallows, chocolate. What is this?
Twizzies,
Licorice?
little
Oh,
Twizzies.
Twizzler.
Oh, little Twizzies.
More Reese's in pumpkin shapes and pieces, and then a bunch of candy corn.
This is so
And
delicious.
then we also have a bunch of frostings in all different Halloween colors.
Yes.
How'd the cupcakes turn out?
The cupcakes are not purple. We tried to dye them purple, but it kind of just makes them look like muffins instead of cupcakes.
We're gonna be like a reward for who gets the best one, and we can put like a poll or something.
The reward is vibe.
What does that mean?
Like you win the vibe.
Whoa, Nick, yours looks like
Green molten lava.
green, molten lava.
Sure.
That's what I was gonna say. More like green garbage. Ooh, got him, Chris, got him.
Says you're using your eyes for the first time in a day.
Yeah, and I feel like I literally am seeing life differently. Like I feel more peaceful.
That's incredible.
Oh my god, that thing is terrifying.
We killed the vibe. We
Holy
killed the vibe.
shit. Thing's scary.
Oh, Nick, we're in the same ballpark a little bit.
Right.
Wait, do we have black icing?
Chris, that's super good. Wait, we just killed that.
Can I have that?
That's like the best, I think, decoration portion of a
Hold on,
Super
can I have a
Mario
green?
video
The green?
ever.
I have the green. Can I have the green?
Oh, sorry. I didn't know you were talking to me.
Obviously.
You weren't really saying my name or please or thank you, so I was kind of disregarding.
Nick, you never say please and thank you.
That is not true. Oh wow, Matt, you killed it. It looks like the.
Nick, you never say please and thank you.
That is not true. Oh wow, Matt, you killed it. It looks like the